Continuing with the question, we have question 5 and 6 been combined here. We'll be looking at statistics and probability. For question 5, given that the mean of the numbers 8, 9, x plus 3, and 15 is 11, find the value of x and the standard deviation. So first of all, before you can find the value of x, you need to first know the relation for mean. And we know that a mean is given by the x bar equals the summation of x on the n. That is the sum of all individual scores on n. So you add all the scores. Okay, so you have 8 plus 9 plus x plus 3 plus 15, all on 5, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 individual scores. Everything should be equals to 11. The hint is from the question here. So we simplify this by bringing like terms together. So 5 times 11, you get 55 equals the summation of the numbers here, 35 plus 2x. Then you have this. So 55 minus 35 equals 2x. So we simplify this, so we get x equals 10. Now we do the same thing for the standard deviation. We also have to find the relation of the standard deviation, and it's given by this expression here, the square root of the summation of the square of the deviation on the number of scores. That is the number of entries we are dealing with. So we take the score, each score, subtract the mean from it, and you square. Then you add. So we have this 8 minus 11, which is the mean, square, plus the next score 9 minus 11, then square, plus the next score 10 minus 11, then square, then to the last one, and we have this on 5. So we simplify this, everything we simplify all in parentheses. So we have 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 16 divided by 5. Solving this, we get 2.6077. So we have this. That is it for question 5. Then question 6, we have, if two fair dice are thrown together twice, find the probability of obtaining a sum of 9 in the first throw and a sum of 6 in the second throw. So we find the probability for the first throw, and we find the probability for the second throw, and we intersect because it's end. So in this section, we need to multiply. So we're having for that here. The possible outcome for a die when it's been thrown is 6. So we have all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, because it's 2 dice, so that means that we'll be having a combination of 2 outcomes from the first and the second. So 1, 1, we have 1, and we're having 1 for the second die. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and so on like that. So we need to get the outcome that will give us 9 from them. So we have 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3, and that is it. So this will be 4 possible. We have 4 possible outcome out of the total outcome. Okay, so the sample space. So we have 4 on 36 because there are 6 by 6. So it will be 6 by 6. So 6 times 6, 36. So you have 4 on 36, all the total outcome. This is for the first probability. so sum of 9. We do the same thing for the sum of 6, so that will be 1 5 2 4 3 3 4 2 and 5 1, and these are 5 on 36. So because it's an intersection, we need to multiply. So we have this, we multiply, then we get 20 on 1296. When you simplify, you get 5 on the 324. So 5 on 324. And that is it. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.